Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this Blender tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to know vertex count in Blender. It's very valuable if that's what you're looking for, to know the details. So I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do is to just head over here. So here to overlays, and here in overlays we have guidance, guides, and statistics. You just have to check this box. This will display scene statistics overlay text. Now if we go here in this corner we have all the statistics: vertices, edges, faces, triangles, objects. So yeah, I really hope you found this valuable. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.